Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Magic Editor on this device. Alright, so firstly we have to open our Google Photos because we have to choose our picture from here. So I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Now we have to click on Edit. And here is this changing color icon right here that we have to click on. And now it says to circle brush or tap to select. So I'm gonna maybe circle our logo. And now we can erase or reimagine. And we can choose what we want to reimagine as. And I'm gonna reimagine this photo, this logo as maybe golden coin. And as you can see, it is what it is. It looks like this. And we can save this one as a copy. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!